Sunday or whatever. And I was trying to get a vlog together for y'all, but it's been like bits and pieces and it's all over the place. So I don't say you're gonna have to try to keep up, because I mean, what y'all gonna do? Put me out? Huh? Y'all can put me out? Put me out. Put me out then. I want to see you try it. Put me out.
I want you to put me out. I want you to do it.
But nah, being for real, y'all. So this is what we about to do. So y'all keep up with the thing. So, you know, it was a wedding last weekend. My folks got married. And I kept on getting the wrong shoe. We're going to go get new shoes. Y'all ain't going to see me take the shoes back. But we're going to go get new shoes. We're going to go get a wax. I'm going to show y'all a video that's like 5 months old. I mean, what y'all going to do? Put me to jail?
He can't put you in jail. I know we can't.
But yeah, so we're going to do all that. We're going to go to Memphis for a hot split second. And ain't shit going to go on in Memphis. So I ain't going to have nothing to show y'all. I ain't do nothing but... I didn't do nothing. That's it. I didn't do anything. So, stay tuned. So we back home, huh? Nasty ass, alright. And I'm filming. I'm putting this on my thing too. Hope it hurt you. But anyway, so we're back at the house and about to make some chili. This is not going into chili, but this is what we got from Walmart. So yeah. My camera is about to die, so I'm gonna go charge it up and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so now the chili is done and we finna dress it up. I put the jalapenos out because I feel like that'll be good in there. I don't think I never tried it with jalapenos, you know, so. And that's my onions. I was gonna put it in a cute little bowl, but girl, I don't wanna wash all them dishes. So let's go ahead and put it on, get it together. Let's see, how can I set this up?
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you took me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be down.
Hello, today is Friday the 19th, I think. So we're headed out. I'm about to go get waxed.
Yeah.
And then I need to take these shoes back. I want to take these shoes back because I want a shorter heel. I only got these shoes from Errands and what do I do with them? It must have been the other room, but I want a shorter heel. But this is what I'm wearing. This room looks a mess. These little tennis shoes that I got from MissLola.com. So yeah, that's the fit. Comfortable and it's raining outside. But yeah, all right, we finna go. I'm gonna get these shoes so I can return them. And I need to wash this little spank thing when we come back too. Where the shoe at? Is it those over there?
The big one?
Yeah. Alright, y'all, be back.
Hey, girl. Hey, girl. What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Y'all, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, if you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Who you around? no game. Anytime you're ready, girl, let me name. The bass make me fly. In a rain, it make you feel high like on a plane. She say I saw the love, the act. Baseline sweet and I touch this spot. Dancing, she love to that. Girl, go to the track. Come wine till you broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your back. Okay, broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue. Know you got the glue. Know you got the glue. Come broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your back, girl. Girl, your body hotter than a suntan. You make me turn up at attention. You pretty like the melodies in a song. Plus the cookie know your body give you make your body strong. Girl, any problem you got now with a fix it. And when you dance to me song it turn a big beat. Up like a drum on a beat. It you tight like a secret. So you feel wine till you broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your back. Okay, broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue. Know you got the glue. Know you got the glue. Come broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your back, girl. Why this make you feel like you? 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 Yeah. Why till you broke off your back? Broke off your back. Broke off your back. Okay, broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue. Know you got the glue. Know you got the glue. Come broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your back, girl. Yeah. Ladies, I'm here. Yes. Look at y'all them. Hey, up for me, y'all them. Yeah.
Days later.
So we have a Family Dollar, Dollar Tree combined, and Peter went in there, so he found out what's going on with it. So Family Dollar went bankrupt and Dollar Tree bought them, but they had to keep Family Dollar's name up there. That's some bullshit, ain't it? That's what a caramel frappe should look like. Ooh, let me fix my thing.
Give me my fries when you get a chance. Get cold.
Hey y'all, we on a road trip. We headed to Memphis.
What else do you think? You know these bumps. You hear me?
Yep. So we got me a banana split. I don't even like bananas, but I wanted a banana split, so I'll let y'all know how it tastes. And I got it with what kind of ice cream did I get? Butter pecan and Oreo. I know, weird, but
What are your toppings?
that's what I got. And I got strawberry on the top with walnuts and whipped cream and caramel and fudge. No cherries. I don't like cherries.
Are both all three of your ice cream?
Are you going to her thing?
So we made it, y'all. Hey, that's Peter. So we made it. We here or whatever. I know I got my diaper on, so don't y'all judge me. That's just like having shorts on. These diapers are so comfortable, y'all. But we made it to Memphis.
Get some
and
rest,
checked
girl.
in.
Call us later. We'll be here till Wednesday.
And yeah, I'm finna eat. We just went to
And then,
Crystal's.
Tanya's car ain't starting
That
up,
was
so we're gonna have
my,
to check it out now.
My snack that I had on the road. Some beef jerky. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, I have to try to adjust these settings on this camera, but I had that on there. I'm gonna eat my crystals. But yeah, this is the wrong. We here. Bye.
2 days later.
I don't.
Well, hey y'all. So we on the road. We are headed back to Alabama. Roadside.
Oh, Tide. Go Bulldogs. Stop playing.
But yeah, this thing is so good. I haven't had a tea and lemonade mixed in so long. I used to make something similar to this at the house, but I used to mix my tea with Kool-Aid. A lemonade pack of Kool-Aid. Fire. Make you some homemade tea. Mix it up, make it sweet. And put you a lemonade flavor pack of Kool-Aid.
Yeah, that shit's fire.
Yeah. I'm gonna make some. I ain't made none in a while.
Arnold Palmer.
That tastes better than the Milo's tea. If you like that Milo's lemon tea, it's gonna taste better.
Oh, hell yeah. By far.
All right. Well, we waiting on our fresh chicken, per the
Fresh chicken.
the lady at the window.
Fresh chicken.
Several days later.
I think the last time we met up was in the Valencia restaurant. Zappo's or whatever.
Yeah.
I just
So
got,
usually they would come and change our grill, but this lady ain't fucking with us like that. She said fuck us. She said fuck them brown folks over there.
Mexican and black.
Alright. You gotta move right there, okay?
Huh?
Get behind Rachel.
Hoping I don't be close to the truck. I'm scared. I'm scared. Y'all see it? And look, I'm up here scared. Like, did the snake come over here somewhere when he came in the house? I'm scared.
Stop that, man. Come on, bro. Come on, man. I'm already got them. I'm stressed already.
Oh my God. You sure you saw a snake out here? This is exactly why I didn't want to live in a fucking country. Because he talking about it's a damn dead possum over here. Somebody then brought it over here. Like, I don't like shit like this.
Look on the side.
Where?
Go on this side and look.
I ain't finna walk. I'm finna walk right here.
You see it?
I don't see
Underneath
shit.
the grill.
I don't see it. Underneath the grill. Let me
Right
see.
there, where all the bones are at.
That's bones?
Yes.
Ugh. Oh, that's disgusting. That's bones?
Yeah, you can come right here.
Ugh. So this is what... I'm scared of shit.
See it?
Yeah, I thought, ugh. So it was a dead possum back here and it turned into skull and bones.
Nasty!
Probably why we got ants. I don't know, yeah, it's been ants being be on me like sometime. Where the kids so I can go in the house? And he said somebody came and put this back here. I don't know who would have did it, but
Yeah, because remember, I go back here cleaning the thing up and everything.
So it had to be a person, right? A person had to put this back here, right?
I mean, what else is it? Why would a fox or a damn thing come over here? Why would it do that, you know? I don't...
Baseball.
And I'm scary as fuck too, so let me get ready to close my door. Oh my God.
This could go on your blog, T.
Huh?
This could have been on your blog.
Oh, it's gonna go on my vlog. I'm recording. Oh my God.
Right there.
Oh, it's two of them now. Fuck! You gotta close the damn door. I finna play wrestling with that hoe.
Oh my God. Oh.
Close the door, babe.
I'm not closing shit.
Babe, you just...
I'm not closing shit.
Alright, so a third one's gonna...
Babe, I'm scared. You know I'm not finna close that door when I'm scared. No. You do it.
Come out.
You close it.
I'm always the other side.
I'm not closing it. If I close the door, how y'all gonna get it out?
Oh, got you, bitch. Oh, shit, not hard enough. Ah. Man, we're killing you, motherfucker. Close the door, Fred. You get it, close the door.
Man, I want to slap that bitch.
Yeah, close the door, close the door.
I want to take RJ in the room
You
now.
want me to get the blanket and put it over it?
I'm gonna take RJ to the room.
Alright, close the door when you do that. That's one.
He hurt.
That's
He
one.
out of here.
You got the dustpan?
Okay.
Or do you have...
You know I'm undefeated.